Hello all, welcome to Mohansh Technologies. Today onwards, we are going to be uploading Python 30-hour free online sessions in YouTube channel. So anyway, we are going to be starting a blockchain Python batch, and we are going to be starting with full stack Python, and we are going to be starting with Gen AI. So for all this programming, for all this basic programming is Python, and people are actually thinking like Python is tough kind of thing. Yesterday video I already told you Python is very easy, simple, and exploration also. And yesterday I given some demonstration, but today I want to explore the content. What we are going to be cover for the next 30 hours. In the next 30 hours, the content will be very simple and straightforward content. So by the day one onwards, you are going to be learning the subject here in this Python. So come to the week one, day one, install Python, IDE, PyCharm, Jupyter Notebook, all these things in the day one, it will cover with. Day two, simple, hello program, print program, comments, inputs, outputs, and all we will discuss about it. Day three, variables, data types, int, float, string, bool, operators, then arithmetic, comparison, logical, assignment, all these things. And day five, we go with the strings and slicing methods and f strings. Day six, list, create, index, append, slice, and all. Day seven, we have tuple sets, immutability, uniqueness operations, and all. And coming to the week two, control flow functions. Day eight, dictionaries. So Python dictionaries are very simple. It is a combination of key value pairs, and we will try to understand the CRUD operations on that. And day nine, we will work on if else statements, nested conditions, and all. Day 10, we go with the loops. And day 11, we go with the functions. Day 12, we go with the function scopes and keyword arguments. Day 13, we have Lambda functions and built-in functions like maps and filters, reduces, and all. Then we will do one calculator mini project kind of thing in the week two. And week three, we will be having the intermediate Python kind of file handling, error handling, module packages, virtual environments, object-oriented programming, object-oriented advanced programming like inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation kind of things. And we will be having the student management mini project kind of thing. In week four is data handling, final projects we can do like Python, how to work with the JSON, and Python, how to work with the Excel CSV files, pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, web scraping, mini project, final project, and how to push the code into the GitHub, working with the Flask and ML. All these things we will explore in the week four. And finally, uh, why Mohan's basically giving this Python course free and in the YouTube? Because of people have to understand some programming skills before coming to the blockchain, before coming to the Gen AI, before coming to the some other technologies, emerging technologies like cloud computing and something like quantum computing kind of things. So anyway, Mohan is going to be starting quantum computing and Gen AI, and one more thing, this one blockchain Python also. For that, I'm giving free 30-hour sessions for you. Just watch all the 30 sessions, then you can able to easily understand quantum computing. You can able to easily understand this Gen AI. You can able to easily understand this blockchain also. Okay, so that is the agenda here. Thank you. And Python itself also will be having a lot of job opportunities. I will show the job opportunities in Python itself. Okay, so let me search in LinkedIn. I'm searching Python. If I search Python, Python have huge demand. You will be having the huge number of job opportunities. So only Python programming is not helping to you. So after learning Python, you can go with a data science, or you can go with the Gen AI, you can go with the quantum computing, you can go with the blockchain kind of things. That is the better idea. So you can learn Python very easily, and after that you can upload your resumes in the Naukri or Indeed or this Glassdoor kind of things. So found it kind of things. So again, I'm searching in the Naukri for Python. Just watch it. I'm searching for Python. Yeah, so you will be having lots of job opportunities. Okay, lots of job opportunities which are available for Python. So that is the agenda. And these videos are actually free videos you can watch in the YouTube channel. So if people are not subscribed so far, just go and subscribe the channel, like the video, comment the video, and subscribe the channel. Click on the bell icon for the notifications, and watch all the 30 day Python free sessions. Then better you can able to go with the emerging technologies like quantum computing blockchain. So very soon we are going to be starting the quantum computing batch, and we are going to be starting the blockchain batch. And before that, go with the Python and Web3.js if you want. Okay, so some people want to go with the Web3.js, some people want to go with the Python. That is your wish. But comparing to all other programming languages, Python is top. Python is simple, very comfortable programming. So that is what actually I want to tell you guys. Okay, please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks a lot.